Welcome to Health is Wealth. Today, we're delving into the top 10 foods that can help you stay slim and maintain a healthy weight. Let's dive in and discover the science behind these delicious choices. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and high in nutrients. They contain fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Lean proteins. Lean protein sources such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and beans are important for building and repairing tissues. Protein takes longer to digest, helping you stay full for a longer time and curbing cravings. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber. Fiber slows down digestion and provides a steady release of energy, helping you control hunger and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Berries. Berries are full of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. They are low in calories, high in vitamins, and contain fiber that contributes to a feeling of fullness. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein and probiotics, which support gut health. Protein promotes fullness, and a healthy gut can positively influence weight management. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds and seeds like chia and flax seeds provide healthy fats and protein. Healthy fats are essential for overall health and can help you feel satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Avocado. Avocado contains monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats. These fats contribute to satiety and are part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation. Eggs. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and feeling full. Lean meats. Lean meats like turkey, chicken, and lean beef are good sources of protein with lower amounts of saturated fats. Protein supports muscle health and can aid in weight management. Legumes. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are rich in plant-based protein and fiber. They promote fullness and provide a good source of nutrients. That's a wrap for today's discussion on health is wealth. Remember, these 10 foods can play a big role in your journey to a healthier you. Stay mindful, stay active, and stay tuned for more empowering content. Until next time, take care and keep making those smart choices. See you in the next video.